Bradenton Preserve is part of almost a 1,000-acre complex here on Lower Tampa Bay. Each of those properties contributing both a synergistic but yet unique element. Bradenton Preserve is part of that puzzle by providing coastal uplands and wetlands that are designed to accommodate for sea level rise. It's designed to maximize opportunities for habitat. It also provides a unique combination of passive recreation and experiences to the public.
It's a great place for recreation that brings people that aren't necessarily passionate about nature. It's a way they can gain that passion. People will come out here to just get some exercise, and then they're seeing bald eagles and they're noticing the wading birds. Now they know it, and it's something that they can really learn to love.
This project, in terms of habitat restoration and creation, in terms of coastal systems, is pretty extraordinary. A lot of what you can't see as you and I stand here looking out across the water is what's going on underneath the water. There are oyster beds. There are shallow islands where mangroves will soon grow. But a lot of it you can't see as you're just looking around.
This recognition is special for us, and it reflects the combination of values that this property brings to all of us. It brings habitat, educational opportunities, passive recreation. It shows with some degree of gumption Manatee County's ability to face funding challenges square in the face, and going after the grants and engaging the federal and state agencies to share in that passion. And those efforts combined, along with this beautiful setting and the ability to let Mother Nature do its work, makes this property special.